Hi guys, we're at Wedgwood level crossing in Staffordshire. We're joining the level crossing channel. There we go, time is 21:08 on Friday the 12th of August 2016, and this is for our slightly delayed, oh no, this is actually on time. This will be for your 21:11 1 Golf 71 cross country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Birmingham New Street, and your 21:13 1 Mike 69 cross country service from Bristol Temple Meads to Manchester Piccadilly. And possibly even for your slightly delayed 21:08 1 Uniform 47 London Midland service from London Euston and Crew. Spike, go and guard it. Hey? Go and stand next to your iPad. Just in case. Yeah. My iPad, sorry. You won't get the tripod working. It's not working very well. Since that fall at Newcastle Road, it's probably not working very well. Focus, stupid camera. I'll probably focus it now. Better. Oh, great. How's the view, Spike? Good. When we get the other side again, lean it up against that crossing sign over there. Here she is. I think it's a pen. No, it'll be the Manchester Birmingham New Street. Hopefully, I'll be able to see this number. If I don't, then oh well. If I do, then hallelujah. Missed it. And stay in. Oh, we've got something special running tonight, I see. I don't think we'll make it to Stone tonight. Doesn't matter if we don't. There's Spike's iPad, my iPad just down there under that car tyre, because Spike's tripod doesn't work. So when we go on the other side, he's going to try lay his tripod up against that crossing sign. Here she is. I think this is the Manchester Piccadilly service. Allison's just gone up. We've got 2:20:30, sorry, to Manchester Piccadilly, and we'll stay in. Up they go, quickly Spike, after it's gone up. That's the rest of the video.